Assalamu alaikum. Class 3 Open English book, open page number 80. Write down class 1 की date. Unit 16 lesson 3 reading the merchant and the debt. मर्चेंट सुदागर को कहते हैं और डेट जो सूद पर कर्ज लेते हैं उसको कहते हैं. लिसन टू योर टीचर एंड फिल इन द गैप देन आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट हैपन टू द मर्चेंट शिप? हु प्लेड अ ट्रिक? द मर्चेंट्स, द मनी लैंडर और द मर्चेंट्स वाइफ. हमने इन बॉक्सेस को, इन स्टोरी को रीड करना है और ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. नंबर 1, देयर वॉज अ मर्चेंट हु लिव्ड इन दुबई. ही यूज टू बाय सिल्क एंड स्पाइसेस from the Far East. Number 2, please will you lend me 20,000 pound for 6 week? What happened of your ship don't come back? If I can't pay back the debt after 6 months, you can take my castle instead. Number 4, there were storm in the Indian Ocean and all your ships sank. Oh no, we are lost. The money lender will now take our castle. Number 6, we agreed either you pay me back 20,000 pound or I take your castle. If not, you must go to prison. Our castle is worth 40,000 pounds. The merchant can take the castle, but he must give us 20,000 pounds back. Next page. He will play a trick on him and get his castle. I will put a black stone and a white stone in a bag. Then you must choose a stone without looking. If you pick out the black stone, then I take your castle. But if you take out the white stone, then we forget the debt. Oh no, the moneylender has put 2 black stone in the bag. Now we cannot win. Will you take out a stone? I will take out a stone. Oh no, I dropped the stone. However, if we look in the bag, we shall find the other stone. If the stone in the bag is white, then I dropped a black stone. But if the stone in the bag is black, then I dropped a white stone. Look everybody, it is the black stone, so I choose the white stone and drop it. Husband, your debt is forgotten. ये रीड करने के बाद अब हम इनको करेक्ट ऑर्डर्स में लिखेंगे. नंबर डी सेंटेंसेस इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ इवेंट्स. The merchant ship sank. Number 4, the money lender planned a trick. Number 7, the wife held up the second black stone. Number 10, the merchant borrowed some money from the money lender. 1, the debt was forgotten. 12, the wife dropped one of the black stone. 11, the money lender put 2 black stone in the bag. Number 9. Next page. Choose the correct words to complete these sentences. Spices, land, debt, sink, castle, prison, trick. Number 1, things sink when they fall through water. You are different spices when you cook. You should not play a trick on other people. It's wrong. A palace with strong walls is called a castle. The merchant could not repay his debt to the moneylender. I can lend you my dictionary, but please give it back soon. People who steal go to prison. Allah Hafiz.